Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is admit. It's a verb. Verb forms of this word are admits, admitted, admitting. The spelling of this word is ADMIT. Admit. The meaning of this word is ভর্তি করানো বা স্বীকার করা. Here are some sentences using this word. He admitted his guilt. He was admitted to a hospital suffering from fever. She admitted making a mistake. I just admit that the results were disappointing. I hate to admit it, but I think he's right. She admits to being strict with her children. It was a stupid thing to do, I admit. So right now I'm going to drill two sentences from here. He admitted his guilt. He admitted his guilt. He has admitted his guilt. He admitted his guilt. He admitted his guilt. He admitted his guilt. সে তার দোষ স্বীকার করলো. He was admitted to hospital suffering from fever. 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 জ্বর হওয়ায় তাকে হাসপাতালে ভর্তি করা হলো. Thank you very much.